December 27th, 2012, Indianapolis. Steve decided he was going to park his car in the driveway. His roommate got him back for shitting in his room the other night. So, I'm not for sure, but I think Steve's car is buried. Is your car up underneath there?
Nope, that's not my car. It's a rental.
It's a rental? What was this, jackass? Hey, you know you gotta drive tomorrow, right? Oh, this is a classic.
It ain't that funny, man.
Oh, yeah, it is. I figure I'd take probably a couple weeks for it to thaw out. Oh, hell. Yep. Hey, look, your mirror's showing over here. He didn't cover the mirror over here. So I guess paybacks can be a bitch, huh?
Yeah, when I get him back.
That was a good one.
No.
You gotta admit that was a good one.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, I think it was. I guess next time you'll think before you shit in his room, huh?
I don't know what you're talking about.